In today's video, I'm going to show you Playful Rewards app review. Is it legit or scam? Playful Rewards is a get paid to GPT style app. It claims you can earn rewards, cash, gift cards, PayPal, etc. by playing games, completing surveys, doing spend X, get X offers, or similar tasks. Some users do report successful small payouts here on Reddit. The app is available on major app stores, has many ratings there, and in some cases people say their withdrawals processed, especially smaller amounts. Those are clues that it's not completely fake. These are now the serious concerns where it appears shady or risky. But there are many complaints and patterns that strongly suggest trouble with big payouts. A lot of users say that as soon as their pending rewards get large, the app flags their account for fraud, cheating, or something vague, then locks them out, resets, or removes their rewards or points, or won't let them cash out. Also, plenty of people say offers or games disappear, tracking fails even when permissions are enabled, or tasks don't credit correctly. Customer support seems slow or unhelpful when issues arise, especially for larger amounts. A recurring theme, app works fine for small rewards, but withdrawal becomes a problem when you try to get more money. Some people say their points are wiped or their accounts disappear or games go missing. Final verdict. I think Playful Rewards is not a total scam. It does appear to pay small rewards for at least some users, and the model ads or offers is common among many apps. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.